Okay, a quick video before I start the next tutorial. I was kind of worried about starting the next chunk because I spent 3 weeks since the last video worrying about what I was going to do next. And then I was kind of playing with my cat and I said, you know, screw it. Like, the game dev is a puzzle, right? So it should be fun. So I was thinking if you've got a good mentality, that's the best start. It's not work anymore. Okay, once I have it in my head, I'm just gonna go in there and start building a world with Playmaker and learn as I go. All the pressure goes away. I'm no longer building a video game to end up on the Steam store, right? I'm just learning as I build stuff. I know how to do some stuff, and I think it's gonna go well. I'm gonna build while I do tutorials and, you know, edit out all the other crap. Like, for instance, do I have an entry storyline? Does the person have a little pop-up bubble with explanations and it kind of walks through some steps and then the story happens, blah blah blah? Or do we just kind of like pop into the game first person, kind of like Portal? You don't know what's going on, so the user has no idea what's going on. There's a screen, they can walk around the house, but maybe there's little hot spots here, and then if you walk into that little hot spot, then maybe a dialogue pops up, you know, some text here, or there's a hot spot way down here that explains you can open this door, you know, whatever. So little things reveal themselves automatically. I don't know. I won't know until we build it. So hopefully this will be interesting. If you're a beginner, you can see how this process goes, but I think with the skills that we have already, we can build something pretty decently. Just to get the ball rolling, I'm going to start doing things and features that are different from game mechanics that bug me. One thing that really bugs me on these kind of games is you have to click this once to open the drawer, click it again to close it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just to see what's in there. Usually there's nothing but an empty book or a pencil. So look at this guy. Look how many things are over here. Whoa. You know, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 12 or 24 if you open each door independently. Screw that. Like, I just want to walk around, and if I go up to the bathroom, have the door open for me, you know? What are we, animals? Okay, so let's do that instead. Click on the door. Like I said, this is a purchased asset, and these all have animations built in. Oh, actually this door doesn't have one. It has a mesh inside of it. So if I click that, go to inspector, you will see the controller is an animator controller named door. If you double click it, you'll see the new state has nothing, but the animations are called open and closed. So remember that. So go back over here. That is our door interior. There's our door mesh that has all the good stuff. I'm going to do box collider, edit collider. Click this little weirdo thing. And if you see these 2 dots, that's the dimensions of the collider. Basically, meaning if you go up here, you actually have to rub up against it to open the door. Nobody likes doing that. So I'm just going to extend the collider so it's kind of a reasonable. You don't want it flying open every time you go down this hallway like Poltergeist, but I think that's kind of reasonable. You could use a mouse and a raycast, but let's just do it super simply. So on this interior mesh, let's add a listener, add an FSM. Here, let's do on collide, right? Collision event, yes. Probably owner is okay, but I'm going to specify the object to be implicit just in case. Interior mesh. So collide tag is default. We'll leave it there. Send event. We'll create a new event. And we'll call this open bathroom. And we'll create that event. Create that tab. Control. Drag over. What do we do now? Surprise, we are going to animator play, not animation. Animator play. And game object, specify it again. I'm going to act upon the mesh, and its state name is called open. Cool. Layer's fine. Normalize time, whatever that means. And then here, that should be cool, right? Right? As a beginner, also, I'm very proud. I'm not embarrassed to check every step. Whoa, that's a little close. A little creepy close. So let's go and extend that a little bit more. Collider thingy. Also, when this happens, when you zip around the house, I don't want to have to click the door to close it either. I'm that lazy. What are we, animals? So just like the airport doors close themselves. So let's do a little wait action here. And close the door after whatever, like 30 seconds. But we'll try 2 seconds just for now. Finish event, new event, close bathroom door. Create that event. Click that, make the new tab. And then here, again, animator play. We're gonna cheat. I think that was called close, capital C. If it's closed, I don't know. We'll find out. That wouldn't make much grammatical sense. Normalize time. I'm not sure what that means, but we're gonna do a finished event right away and drag that back to the beginning. And let's see if that works. And on enter is gonna work fine for us because yay. Okay, so now that works fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set that for 30 seconds. Feel free to go ahead and laugh at me because this is probably not the way to do it, but that's the whole goal of this series, is to go ahead and add features and make the game progress move along so you keep self-motivated. So I'm probably not gonna have all these things fly out. It'd be like the poltergeist, it'd be like horrific. So I'll figure out a mechanism for doing individual things. Maybe certain drawers only open, I don't know. And also next time I'm gonna import a fridge model that has open and closed doors and inventory in there. All right, so that'll be the next little mini tutorial. Okay, so build on the fly and kind of experiment and build as you go versus doing this massive architecture before you even touch the building blocks. Hang out, come back, see what I make. Otherwise, find a different teacher. No, just kidding. Oh, jeez, sorry, I have a new cat. So take it easy. I will talk to you ladies later. Bye.